What's up, exhaust addicts? I just want to let you guys know that we are located at Discount Muffler and Custom Exhaust, 3560 Dickerson Pike, Nashville, Tennessee. You can give us a call anytime at 615-612-6244. Our hours of operation are 8:30 to 4:30, Monday through Friday, Central Time. Thank you for watching and enjoy the video.
This is a 2013 Chevy Camaro SS with a MBRP catback, and we're gonna put headers on it. So we're gonna let you guys hear it before we put the headers on. Show you guys the sound difference. So this is with the MBRP and its stock manifolds and cats. Go ahead. Here's sound decibels again. So right at 116 again. We're gonna put headers on it and we'll let you guys hear it after. All right guys, 2013 Chevy Camaro SS. So you guys heard it before, what it sounded like. Now we're gonna show you and what we did and then let you hear it after. So there's the two factory manifolds that were on it. One here, one here. Factory cats, there and there. So he brought his own stainless steel works, long tube headers and cats. Right there, there's the long tube headers. Right there, long tube headers. Right there, cats. Right there, high flow, O2 sensors. All that good stuff, as you guys can see. And then we straight piped it earlier in the year, 3-inch pipe all the way back. I thought it had an MBRP system, but it was actually just the tips. 3-inch system all the way back there and all the way back there. There it is. Check it out, guys. A lot nicer, a lot cleaner with the addition of the long tube headers. Out with the old, in with the new. Long tube headers never disappoint. Earth shaking. Chevy Camaro SS is about to start it. Let me see your face. Give it gas. I told you, bro. How did you do it? Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Enjoy, bro. Check out our merch, guys. Link in the description, like he said. Chevy Camaro SS, fully straight pipe, long tube headers, high flow cats. Listen to that idle. Idle's insane.